Good morning. So today we are going to calculate the angle on a dovetail. So dovetail is about this diagram, also this diagram, having the same angle measurements that are the same. So the difference here is here, this roller, it's 8, and this other roller, it's 10 in diameter. So we should calculate this angle and the length using both of them. So what I will do now, I will draw these two. I will draw these two in one. This one is the roller with the diameter 8. This is another roller with diameter 10. So I have just joined the two. So the distance from here to there, that is the length. Is this length and that length there. So the distance from here up until there is given as, from the diameter 10 is given as 16,339, and the distance from here up until here is given from the diameter 8, from the diameter 8 up until to the end is given as 21,07. So we need to calculate this angle there. For us to calculate an angle, we need to have a triangle in precision. So even here, I'm going to construct two triangles, I mean. The first triangle, it will be from the center, from this corner till to the center of this circle. There's my triangle. And we know this is a tangent, and the tangent, this line bisects the tangent. It means this angle here is equals to that angle. So this angle, I can name it theta. Theta plus theta is equals to alpha, as you can see there. Theta plus this theta there is equals to. So okay, I was looking for a different color. Yeah. So the other triangle, I will construct it from the bigger roller. From the center till to the corner, there is my second triangle. The first one, it also goes there. So under a second triangle, the first triangle and the second triangle, you can see that theta is common. Theta is the same for the first triangle and the second triangle. So, on the first triangle, this distance from here to here, I will name it A. Under a second triangle, the distance from here to here, I will name it B. That will be B. So in this case, my L will be A plus the is A, the distance from there to there, plus the distance from here to here, which is a radius. And the radius of this triangle, as you can see, it's 4. Plus, from here to here, we already given as 21.07. 21.07. I repeat, the distance L, looking only on the red triangle, it will be the distance from there to there, which is A, plus the distance from there to here, at the end of the circle. Remember, A is from the start up until to the center of the circle, then from the center up until to the circumference of the circle, plus this one, which is A plus radius plus the given distance. That is equals to L. So using the green triangle, L will be B plus B is up until to the center plus the distance from here to here, which is a radius, and in this case radius is 5. Then from there up until there it will be 16,339. And if you check here, this is L, is the same distance, meaning they are equal. I can write this as the red L being equals to the green L, which is A plus 4 plus 21,07 is equals to B plus 5 plus 16,339. So now I should find A and B. So A is at the red triangle. So under a red triangle, I will take the red triangle out with the theta there. There's A, the opposite of A, the opposite of theta. That is 4, because that is a radius. This is a radius there, is 4. So then I'm having theta A and 4 is tan. Theta is equals to opposite, which is 4, divided by adjacent, which is A. Therefore, A will be 4 over tan theta. So I can take this one and substitute it at the value of A. So now I should find B. B opposite is 5, as the radius there is 5, then adjacent is B. As I said initially, these two, they share the theta. So opposite and adjacent is tan. Theta is equals to opposite is 5 over B. Therefore, B will be 5 over tan theta. So substituting A and B on the equation, we will have 4 over tan theta plus 4 plus 21,07 is equals to B. It will be 5 over tan theta plus 5 plus 16,339. So I will transpose 4 over tan to this side, which it will be 5 over tan theta minus this one. It will be 5 over tan theta minus 4 over tan theta. Transposing this one to the other side, it will be 4 plus 21,07 minus 5 minus 16,339. So here I will have 1 over tan theta is equals to this other side. When I calculate, what do I get? 3,731. So this one, it will be the same as tan theta is equals to 1 over 3,731, which theta I get, after calculating your theta, it will be 15 degrees. And remember, theta is not the angle we're told to calculate. Theta is this one. The angle we're told to calculate is this one. Therefore, alpha will be 2 theta, as explained initially, 2 times 15, which it will give us 30 degrees. 30 degrees. That is theta. So now you are having your theta here as 15. You manage to calculate the angle, this angle. So now you need to calculate the length. For us to find A and B, we need to substitute 15, 15, so that we can be able to calculate the length either using this one or using this one. You can calculate only A or you calculate only B. But whichever you calculate, it must take you to the same solution. So I will only calculate A. A from this equation is equals to 4 over tan 15. And the value of A divided by tan 15. It's 14,928. So now then I have A, I can say L is equals to, substituting in this form, this equation, I will say L is equals to 14,928 plus 4 plus 21,07, which it will give me 14 plus 4 plus 21,07. Is 39,998, which you can round it to 40. Same applies. If you wanted to use this equation, you would have found B by substituting 15 there and use this equation. So that is what you were supposed to do. The second one. This one is also a half dovetail. So this one and this one is still the same diagram. This one it differs from the first one. As the first one, it has different size of the rollers. And the first one, it was touching this line and the horizontal line, becoming the tangent. The difference from this one is both of them, they have the same roller, same diameter of the roller, but the other one doesn't touch the horizontal line. Meaning, as you can see, the position from there to there, the position from here to here is not the same. I have made mistake here. The position from there to there is 220. The position from there to there differs from this one. So, same applies. Even with this one, let us draw one diagram. first roller is this one here, which is 6, diameter 6. The second roller is this one here with the diameter 6. So this one is 75. There is no need to draw the block. So with this diagram, I will try to look for a triangle which I can construct. So the triangle which I'm going to construct it from the end, this the center, and there, yes, the center, and there. This line is parallel to this one. From the end to the end. You can also draw it from here to the center, then down to the center, still the same thing, because you have just moved it. You have just moved it with a radius to this side if you decide to do that one. Or you can also put it from the bottom to the bottom. You just move it with a diameter. So the reason I draw it here, in this way, it's gonna be much more better for me to find the length. Checking from here, checking this distance from there to there, it's the upper is 176.7. The bottom one from there to there is 220. I have a triangle as this line is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line. That means this angle here, this angle there is the same as that angle. If I can be able to calculate that angle, I also know the magnitude of that angle. So if we check here, the distance from there to here is 75. If you check from here to here is a radius which is 3. From here to here is this radius from 3. From there to there, which is 3. Meaning is 75 plus 3 minus 3, which is the same as 75. So the distance from here to there, the distance from there to there, it will be the total distance, which is 220 minus this distance from there to here, which is this one. So therefore, I will get that distance from there to there. So in drawing that triangle, I have theta here, 90, from there to there is 75, as explained. Why 75? From there to there is 75 plus 3 minus 3. Then I'm left with the distance from there to there, which is still 75. So the distance from here to here, I said is the total distance from here up until there. As you can see, it covers also this distance. So I will have to subtract the distance from there to there, which is this one. So I'm left with that distance. And that gives me, when I subtract, it gives me 43.3. 43.3. So in that case, I will have tan theta is equals to opposite, which is 75, divided by adjacent, which is 43.3. So when you calculate theta, you will get theta as 60 degrees. So that is what it was required from you. You have managed to calculate this angle from this triangle. I thank you.